Hello, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach, and in this video we're going to look at the best ways to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This video is taken from our Microsoft Teams training course, so if you want more training, you'll find a link to the course in the description where we'll tell you all about it. Or you can choose the link in the top right hand corner now. Let's look at how to schedule our own meeting. This can be done through Outlook and Teams, and I'm going to show you both. I'll start with Outlook because it's probably the most popular way of scheduling meetings. I'm using the most recent update of Outlook on Windows 10 for this demonstration. So if you have an older version of Office, this might look slightly different. There are two options here. The first is to press the New Teams Meeting button on the ribbon at the top, and that will open the new meeting with the Teams details already in it. You could also choose a time from the calendar with a double click on the time you want to meet. Then when the new appointment window opens, choose Teams Meetings from the ribbon. Then you can add the meeting details to the appointment. Adding the details here is something I sometimes forget to do. That's why I recommend using the New Teams Meeting button. If you do it this way, don't forget to add the title and then invite the attendees you want to join. You can invite people or groups. All the other Outlook features apply just like they would for a normal meeting, and I'm assuming you know how to do that already in Outlook. You can see here the location is set to Microsoft Teams Meeting, but it could be that you want to add a meeting room as well. You might have a room full of people attending in person, and you want to call people who are working in remote locations over Teams as well. So you can use the room finder to change the location, but the Teams meeting details will stay in the appointment. That way, those attending in person will know which room to go to, and those attending via Teams can just click on the link. Let's switch to Teams now, and we'll go to the Calendar app. When you schedule a meeting here, you've got two options. One is Meet Now, and the other is a New Meeting. Meet Now is a quick way of starting up a meeting without any attendees. Then once you're in the meeting, you can invite the people you want to attend. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting for another time. I press New Meeting, then I can add the title, and then I need to choose my attendees. So when I do that, Teams is smart enough to know who's available without you using the scheduling assistant. You can see here that Megan is highlighted in red, indicating that she's unavailable at the meeting time I've chosen. With the scheduling assistant, we can also see where she has gaps in her diary, so we can opt to have the meeting then. When I'm finished, I can hit send, and the Teams invitations will be sent to all the attendees, and it will add the meeting to my Teams calendar. All the people invited will see the new meeting appointment in their Outlook and Teams calendars. The Teams and Outlook calendars will always remain in sync as long as you're using the same Office 365 account. So once you've scheduled the meeting in Teams, you can add documents or notes to it before the meeting even starts. For example, if you wanted to upload a document that you're going to discuss or review during the meeting, you could do this ahead of time so the attendees can review it before the meeting. To do this, you open up the meeting from the Teams calendar, click on the Files tab, and then choose Share. You can upload your document from OneDrive or from your computer. Then it's available for your attendees when they click on the Files tab. You can also add meeting notes here, and we'll talk about that in another lesson. If you want to, you can join the meeting before the scheduled time to get things set up. When the time comes to start the meeting, the organizer doesn't have to be the one to do it. Anyone in your organization who's been invited can go in and start it. If someone has started the meeting, you'll see the Join button in Teams, so you don't have to open up the meeting itself. You can just press Join. Thank you so much for watching. That's all you need to know about scheduling meetings in Microsoft Teams. This video is taken from our Teams training course, and if you want to know more about that, you'll find a link to the course in the description. I'll see you next time.